Welcome everybody. Myself Swati Shinde from Yeshwantrao Chavan College of Pharmacy, Ahmednagar. I am here to discuss with you inhalant topic from pharmaceutical chemistry first. After the completion of discussion, we learn about definition of inhalant, commonly used inhalants, gas exchange in lungs, role of oxygen, detailed monograph of oxygen, carbon dioxide and nitrous oxide. In the annual examination, near about 10 to 12 marks questions are asked on this topic. Questions related to definition of inhalants, their example, how the gas exchange takes place in a lungs, what is the role of oxygen in our body, and detailed monograph of oxygen, carbon dioxide and nitrous oxide. So let us start the discussion. What is meant by inhalant? Inhalant are chemical substance which are directly administered by nasal or oral cavity for the local or systemic effect. Examples of inhalants: nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide and nitrous oxide. Let us see how gas exchange in a human body takes place. When we breathe, oxygen enters in our body. This oxygen mixed with red blood cells, and in the red blood cell hemoglobin it is present. This hemoglobin form a complex, reversible complex with oxygen, that is oxygenated hemoglobin it is formed. This oxygenated hemoglobin transported to organs. In the organ, the oxygen it is utilized by the cells for the generation of energy. In the generation of energy, that means in the formation of ATP molecule, various reactions are takes place. In that reaction, those CO2 it is evolved. This CO2 it is expired out from our body with the help of lungs in the form of expired air. This reaction also, this figure also indicate how the oxygen form a complex with hemoglobin, that is oxygenated hemoglobin or oxyhemoglobin, and how it is release again the oxygen in the body and how it gets separated from hemoglobin. Let us see detail of monograph of oxygen. Molecular formula O2. It is one of the important air constituent. About 21% of total volume of air it is occupied by oxygen. Standard, according to IP, oxygen contain not less than 99% volume by volume of oxygen. It is also available and supplied in a metallic cylinder in the compressed form. Preparation method: oxygen it is prepared by two methods. First one by fractionation of air and second one by electrolysis of water. In case of fractionation of air it is purified by removing moisture, dust and carbon dioxide and compressed to get liquefied air. This liquefied air again fractionated to obtain oxygen. This prepared oxygen it is supplied in a metallic cylinder. Second method, by electrolysis of water, direct current is passed through the cell between two electrodes, that electrodes are immersed in a 10% solution of potassium hydroxide. Oxygen is liberated at anode and hydrogen is get liberated at cathode. Properties of oxygen: it is colorless, odorless, tasteless gas, soluble in water as well as alcohol. It freely soluble in a silver solution. It is slightly heavier than air. Reactions of oxygen: when oxygen it react with carbon it form carbon dioxide. When it react with sulfur it forms sulfur dioxide. Oxygen does not combine directly with halogen or any other inert gas. In most of the metals, in some metals it form oxide. For example, it react with ferrous, it form ferrous oxide. Action and uses: first use, it is required for producing useful energy in the cell in the form of ATP. Second, as it is reversibly bound to hemoglobin, it undergo dissociation and release oxygen. Means it form oxygenated hemoglobin complex and this hemoglobin complex again dissociate to form oxygen. So, in the treatment of hypoxia, in the treatment of hypoxia. That means hypoxia, it is the condition in which oxygen carrying capacity of blood cell it get decreased. So oxygen it is used in the treatment of hypoxia and also as a anesthesia. Third use in the carbon monoxide poisoning, and last use liquid oxygen is used as a fuel in a rocket technology. Storage, oxygen is stored and supplied in a metal cylinder. The shoulder of cylinder are painted with a white color and remaining body it is with black color. Second monograph, carbon dioxide molecular formula CO2. According to IP, carbon dioxide contain not less than 99% volume by volume of carbon dioxide. It is supplied in a compressed metallic cylinder. Preparation method, carbon dioxide it is prepared by burning carbon like mineral, example coal, coke and oil. We get with oxygen we get carbon dioxide. When we burn coal, coke and oil with oxygen we get carbon dioxide. Second method, when carbonate treated with acid it gives carbon dioxide. When calcium carbonate we heat with hydrochloric acid we get carbonic acid. This carbonic acid undergo dissociation to form water molecule and carbon dioxide. Third method, by heating calcium carbonate. When we heat calcium carbonate we get calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Properties of carbon dioxide, it is colorless, odorless gas with acidic in a taste, soluble in water, slightly heavier than air. Its aqueous solution is acidic in nature. Reactions of carbon dioxide, when carbon dioxide it is react with water it gives carbonic acid. And second reaction, when react with magnesium it gives respective oxide, that is magnesium oxide. Action and uses, first one, respiratory stimulant. What is meant by respiratory stimulant? The respiratory stimulant are the agent which increase the rate of respiration or stimulate the respiratory tract functions. Second use, so it is used in the treatment, used as a respiratory stimulant. Second use, treatment of carbon monoxide poisoning. Mixture of carbon dioxide with 5% of oxygen and 10% of air, it is used in the treatment of carbon monoxide poisoning. Third, manufacturing of soft drinks. Fourth, preparation of dry ice which is used in minor surgery to destroy tissues and rarely used in the acid-base balance of body. Storage, carbon dioxide is stored and supplied in a metal cylinders. The shoulder of cylinder are painted with a grey color. Third monograph, nitrous oxide. It is also known as laughing gas. Standard, it contains not less than 95% volume by volume of nitrous oxide. Preparation method, by heating ammonium nitrate we get nitrous oxide. This nitrous oxide it is purified by washing it with sodium chromate and sodium hydroxide and water. Properties, nitrous oxide it is colorless, odorless, tasteless gas. It is soluble in water, ether, oil and alcohol. It is slightly heavier than air. Its aqueous solution is neutral in nature. Reactions of nitrous oxide, on heating at high temperature it decomposed and form oxygen. When we heat nitrous oxide at high temperature we get nitrogen and oxygen. Second reaction, when it react with the copper it form copper oxide. When nitrous oxide it react with copper it gives copper oxide. Action and uses, it is used as a general anesthetic with mild analgesia. Second one, muscle relaxant. Third one, in dental surgery. Fourth one, in the treatment of mental patient to calm their effect. And fifth one, as a inhalant in a 60 to 80% or with oxygen in a 20 to 40% as required. Storage, nitrous oxide is stored and supplied in a metallic cylinder. The shoulder of cylinder are painted with a blue color. So let us stop here. Thank you. Thank you for your attention.